Jeremiah Campbell here with Brickworks Property Restoration on another site in historic Detroit district. We are here rebuilding a chimney. I've personally been certified CSIA, Chimney Safety Institute of America, and we train each and every one of our W-2 staff employees to make sure that your chimney is getting done right. One of the hardest tasks of chimney building is accessing the top of the chimney. It's the farthest most extremity from the home. What does that mean? It means being able to get every one of those brick pieces of mortar and flue down safely and put back up safely. When we rebuild your chimney, we take in all factors. How we're gonna get up there, what the proper scope is, and using the proper materials to make sure your job is done correctly. Do not fall victim to getting a chimney rebuilt improperly. 1 out of every 50 to 75 contractors actually takes the time to get the right certifications and provide the right training for their installers. When you're building a chimney, you got to bring in all of the physics of a chimney. The chimney is made to do what? Properly vent gases out of the house. As you see right here, there's a flue section. When these flue sections get gaps or cracks in them or they fall apart, what's gonna happen? Your chimney is not gonna function properly. Now you're dealing with the safety of your family. If a contractor comes out and says they're gonna shorten the height of their chimney, that's actually illegal. There's codes that are in place. So when it comes to your chimney project and the safety of your family, make sure you give the professionals at Brickworks a call to get your chimney done right for the right price properly. 586-868-3234 or Brickworks MI for your full comprehensive chimney inspections.